What is project scheduling? Project scheduling is the roadmap which will guide all the project activities. Most of the time we just hear that project failed, this project failed. Now why there is delay? Why the project failed? Before talking about project scheduling, let us know what are the reasons why the software or any kind of project is delivered late. The first reason is unrealistic, aggressive deadlines. That is, someone from the outside who is not from the software team, maybe in some managerial position. Now he is going to say, okay, you have to do the project in 1.5 years or 2 years. Now this time is forced on the managers and the practitioners, that is the programmers. The second reason may be the requirement of customers keep on changing, and since the project schedule has already been made, it is not reflected on the schedule, or schedule doesn't change with respect to the changing requirement. There may be a case where the honest underestimation of amount of effort or the number of resources to be employed to get the job done is not properly managed or understood or even underestimated. For example, 10 people, only 6 people are being given the job or hired. There are certain risk factors which are predictable or even unpredictable. They are not even considered, or even if they are considered, there is no contingency plan, there is no mitigation policy. There can be some purely technical difficulties because you cannot foresee them in advance. So there are certain technical difficulties which may come. People, humans, some may get ill, some may leave the job, there are so many things which can happen. Sometimes miscommunication. There is a hierarchy in the project team. So someone will say something, or miscommunication, the message is not being delivered, like this. Sometimes the project management or project manager, he does not recognize, he failed to recognize that the project schedule is not going up to the mark, or we are behind schedule. And then he doesn't do anything to correct this problem. No action has been taken. So these are the cause of failure.